In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a Google form using Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to gather responses or data efficiently, Google Forms is your go-to tool, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up your own form with all the essential elements. First, open any web browser of your choice and head over to the Google Forms web page. If you're unsure of where to go, simply type Google Forms into the search bar and it should be among the top results. When you arrive at the page, look for the button that says Start a New Form. Clicking it will launch a blank form template ready for you to customize. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a series of icons. Click on the plus icon, which is used to add a new question. This is perfect for when you're gathering multiple types of information and need to tailor different questions to suit your data collection needs. Starting with a simple question type can often be easiest, so click on the option for multiple choice. This will allow respondents to select from predetermined answers, which can help streamline the data processing later. If your form requires document uploads, switch the question type to File Upload. This is especially useful when you need additional supporting documents from your respondents. Once you're set, click on Continue to proceed. You'll see further options for customizing the file upload settings, such as maximum file size, the number of files allowed, and file types permitted. Setting these guidelines helps ensure you receive the right information in the correct format. When your questions are set, don't forget to require responses where necessary. Look for the little toggle called Required. Ticking this option ensures that respondents can't skip this question, which is crucial for important questions and maintaining the integrity of the data collection process. To see what your potential respondents will experience, click the eye icon located at the top right corner of the form. This preview feature allows you to review the form from their perspective, ensuring clarity and usability. If everything checks out, you might want to test the form yourself. Click on the Add File option to simulate uploading a document as your recipients would. Just as they will, click Browse to search and select a file from your device to complete the upload. This step is incredibly useful to verify that your instructions are clear and that the file submission process works smoothly. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you've created a fully functioning Google form that's ready to distribute. Share it with your audience and start collecting insightful responses efficiently.